on this episode of Doorbell News.
Bravo, escultura.
You're now watching Doorbell News.
Yeah. Check her out. She's casing out the house. She wiggles the doorknob. When she realizes nobody's home, she comes back later with an assailant. Let's see what happens. West Palm Beach, Florida. Check her out. Yeah. Looks like she sees a package. Hey. Yeah. Better stay inside the house. Miami, Florida. So an Uber Eats driver's completing a delivery. But check these two guys out in the background. Yeah, they think he left the car running, and they go for it. He doesn't even realize he's just doing his job. They must not have the key fob, so they run off. Yeah, that's just how quick it can happen. Make sure you don't leave your keys in your car. Meanwhile, she comes back about 6 minutes later with her, looks like her granny or her mom. Looks like her mom has a crowbar in her hand.
Bravo, escultura.
Hey, what language is that they're speaking? Anybody know what language that is they're speaking? The homeowner says something on his Ring doorbell and they run off. West Palm Beach, Florida. Inside of a gated community. The gate wasn't closed, and these two guys found some expensive cars to go inside. Looks like a G-Wagon, one of those Tesla SUVs. Yeah, better not forget to leave your doors locked at night. Hopefully there was nothing valuable inside. Fresno, California. So this guy brings a ladder to steal an electric scooter from someone's balcony. Yeah, the measures these guys will go through to take your stuff. Hey, put that ladder down. Hey, why don't you go get a job instead of trying to climb up a ladder trying to stake someone's scooter, buddy? Can't even leave scooters on your balcony anymore. Yeah, the camera works, buddy. You need to catch some of these pirates. Miami, Florida. This G-Wagon and Porch GTS owner knows how to deter the pirates. Yeah, get lost! Tampa, Florida. Check this guy out.
Can you help me?
Jacksonville, Florida. Check her out.
Dropped on my chain.
Hello.
Yes, I was coming by. I wanted to know if I could ask you or your wife if y'all have $2 so I can get on the city.
Well, I'm down. I'm not even at the house right now, so no, we can't help you.
Okay, sir. Thank you. I had some little small packs of laundry detergent I was going to give you for $2. Shoot. My grill here. Home. Oh, you's here.
Yeah.
I thought you said
I already talked to her, John.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm like, wait a minute. How'd you get in the house so fast?
Hey, John, give you a call.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, Dad.
All right.
Tampa, Florida. So these guys come outside about to go for a ride, and then some random guy walks up talking about, hey, can I get a ride?
You know what to do.
I want to make a couple $100.
What is it?
I just need a ride. And you can hold my pistol. Sounds great.
Stop.
West Palm Beach, Florida. Can't even have little barbecues outside anymore, because this guy wants to have a little barbecue in his backyard tomorrow. Richmond, Virginia. Yeah. Keep those gates locked. There's a lot of creepers creeping around. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. New video coming tomorrow. Yeah, this homeowner's about to come outside. Let's see what happens.
What's up, bro? What you looking for? What, bro? When you open my fence up, what's up?
I'm just trying to get to my house.
Well, this ain't your house, bro. Don't open my fence up, bro. Don't do that.
For sure, it's not my house. I have money. That's the situation, and it's pretty much around here. Just Halifax.
Halifax is over there, bro. This is Ingram. That's Gordon. This Ingram. Halifax is over here. You need to go this way. No, you need to go to the right. Yeah, but there, don't open my fence though, bro. Don't do that. All right, it's to the right. It's over to the right. The Halifax, go down here and go to the right.
This is Jen from Doorbell News. We are now offering members only exclusive content.
Become a member of Doorbell News today. Get exclusive content. Join today for exclusive access.
Become a member of Doorbell News today.
Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.